Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, how are you today? I hope we always fine, health, and keep spirit. And today in this video, Teacher Hasan want to teach about the science in primary 4 Kuba Islamic School. In this chapter, Teacher Hasan want to teach about state of matter. And before we study, please reciting Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay everyone, did you know about the material? And what do you know about the material? Okay, the material, for example, like wood, metal, and plastic. And can you find something that is made from wood, metal, fabric, and plastic? And we find about the material in everywhere. And so everything is made some kind of material. And every material has a properties. For example, like hard, soft, shiny, smooth, and rough. So the state of matter, the matter is everything we are made of and everything that is around us. So the state of matter is different kind about three forms. The first is solid, the second is liquid, and the third is gas. Okay, come on, we discuss about the solid. What is a solid? A solid is something that keep its shape. For example, like brick. It cannot be poured like a liquid. And what do you think about a liquid? And what is a liquid? Look at the picture. And how can we tell something is a liquid? We know that we have poured a liquid easily. And a liquid is not easy to hold. And liquid change their shape. So the liquid is all not same. They can different color and smell. For example, like water, olive oil, and honey. And did you know a liquid has a runny liquid? Some liquid are runnier than other. For example, water. Water is low viscosity. And olive oil is medium viscosity, and honey is hard viscosity. So we say they have a different viscosity. And next discussion, what is a gas? Gas is gas we find in everywhere. Most of the time, we do not know that they are there. For example, like balloon. Gas are usually invisible. Invisible means we cannot see them. Gas move around and fill space. They can change their shape. In this slide, teacher want to challenge you about the practice name about state of matter. In this picture, for example, like smooth, spoon, milk, pencil, brick, fuse, water, wind, juice, ice cube, steam, and milkshake. Can you classify item as a solid, liquid, and gas? For example, smoke. We know that smoke is a gas, and spoon is a solid, and milk is a liquid. So in this table, solid, for example, like spoon and pencil. Liquid, for example, like milk and water. And gas, for example, like smoke and fuse. And you can answer in this picture 2 tables by yourself. And next discussion, we discuss about change of state. When a substance changes from one state of matter to another state of matter, we call this a change of state. Imagine When water is a liquid state, when we cool it to freezing point or 0 degrees Celsius, it changes state to become a solid or ice cube. And imagine again, when water as a solid or ice, when we heat it above 0 degrees Celsius, it melts. It changes state to a liquid. And in this section, we discuss about difference reversible and irreversible change. When we heat some material, they melt, become liquid. As a liquid cool, it becomes solid again. So we say that the liquid has solidified. For example, like candle wax. Candle wax is solid. When we burn in the wick, so the candle wax become liquid. And when we cool the liquid, it becomes solid again. So this is called a reversible change from solid to liquid and solid again. And irreversible change. Some material do not change back to the same state after heating. We call this an irreversible change. For example, like in this picture. We heating a raw egg to cook it, and you cannot change the egg back into a raw state. In last section, can you remember what the three states of matter are? And what happens when a solid is heated? And the third question, what happens when liquid is cooled? And fourth question, say if freezing is a reversible change or an irreversible change. Don't forget answer in this question in column comment below. And teacher want to give the thumb if you best answer. Alhamdulillah, we already lesson about state of matter. Thank you very much for me. I hope we can easily understand about this material. And before we close lesson today, please reciting Hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Thank you very much for this video. Don't forget like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget, share to your friends. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.